Welcome to this 30-minute guided meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, where your body feels fully supported. Close your eyes gently and take a moment to settle into this space. This is your time, a sacred moment to release, renew, and reconnect with your soul. Let go of any expectations and simply allow yourself to be present. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, cleansing air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Do this again. Inhale deeply, feeling your chest expand, and exhale, letting go of any heaviness. One more time. Inhale peace, and exhale anything that no longer serves you. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your body resting against the surface beneath you. Notice the points where your body connects with the chair, cushion, or floor. Feel yourself grounded, supported by the earth beneath you. Starting at the crown of your head, imagine a warm, golden light gently cascading over you. This light is soft, loving, and cleansing. Feel it move over your forehead, relaxing your brow, softening your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Let this light flow down your neck, releasing any tightness in your shoulders. The golden light continues to pour down, warming your chest, softening your heart. It flows through your arms, your hands, your fingers, releasing any tension. Feel it move through your torso, your hips, down your legs, and all the way to the tips of your toes. Your entire body is now bathed in this gentle, cleansing light. You are safe. You are whole. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a serene, crystal clear lake. The water is calm, reflecting the soft glow of the sky above. This lake is a sacred space, a place where you can release anything that weighs on your soul. Take a moment to reflect. What burdens, worries, or emotions have you been carrying? Perhaps it's a specific memory, a fear, or a feeling of heaviness. There's no need to judge or analyze. Simply acknowledge what comes to mind. As you stand by the lake, imagine these burdens taking the form of small stones in your hands. Each stone represents something you're ready to release. Feel their weight for a moment, and then, one by one, gently toss each stone into the lake. Watch as the water ripples softly, accepting each stone with grace. As the stones sink to the bottom, they dissolve, transformed by the cleansing waters. With each stone you release, feel your heart grow lighter. Your soul feels freer. You are letting go of what no longer serves you. And if any emotions arise, sadness, anger, or even relief, allow them to flow. They are part of this cleansing process. Continue to release as many stones as you need. There's no rush. When you feel ready, notice how much lighter you feel. Your soul is clearing, making space for peace and renewal. Now step forward into the lake. The water is warm and inviting, gently lapping at your feet. And as you wade deeper, the water rises to your knees, your hips, your chest. It feels like a loving embrace, cleansing every part of you. Imagine the water glowing with a soft, radiant light. This light is pure, healing energy, washing away any lingering heaviness in your soul. Feel it flow through your body, your mind, your spirit. It clears away doubt, fear, and negativity, leaving only clarity and love. As you stand in the water, visualize a waterfall of light pouring down from above. This waterfall flows over you, washing away any remaining tension or blockages. Feel it cleanse your energy, renewing your spirit. Your soul is like a clear, sparkling crystal, shining with your unique light. You are cleansed, refreshed, and whole. Repeat after me. I release all that no longer serves my highest good. My soul is clear, light, and filled with peace. I am connected to the infinite love and wisdom within me. I am whole, and I am enough. Let these words sink deeply into your being. Feel their truth anchor you in this moment. You are renewed, cleansed, and aligned with your soul's purpose. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the fresh energy within you. Exhale, grounding yourself in this moment. When you are ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, light, and whole. Take one more deep breath, carrying this sense of peace and clarity with you. Know that you can return to this sacred space anytime you need to cleanse and renew. Carry this sense of calm and clarity with you as you move forward in your day. As a suggestion, you may wish to write any insights or emotions that arose during the meditation within a journal. This can deepen the cleansing process and help you integrate the experience. Remember, you are whole and enough. Thank you for listening and being on this journey with me. I am sending you so much love and so much light.